Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Top Talk TV, the channel where we inspire teenagers like you to dream big, stay motivated, and build future that you are proud of. Today's video is super important because we are talking about how you as a teenager can make determination as part of your nature. Yes, you heard that right. Determination does not have to be something you switch on when life gets tough. It can become your second nature, your daily attitudes, the way you approach school, friendships, sports, and even your future goals. So if you have ever struggled with giving up so soon or losing focus, stay tuned because at the end of this video, you will know how to make determination your superpower. Now, the question is, what is determination? Determination is not about waiting for something. It's about deciding no matter what. You will not quit until you achieve it. Think of it as your inner engine. Motivation starts the car. Determination keeps it moving even when the road is bumpy. So, motivation gets you started. Determination keeps you moving. For example, a teenager wants to learn a guitar. Motivation made them to buy the guitar, but determination made them to practice even when their fingers are hot or they are playing the wrong notes. That takes us to the story of Michael Jordan's determination. Did you know that Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players, was actually kicked out from his high school basketball team? Instead of quitting, he practiced longer, trained harder, come back so strong that he eventually became a legend. Take away this, failure did not stop Michael. His determination turned failure into fuel. Lesson for you, your no today does not mean never. It just means try again with more fire. Let's look at why you need determination as teenagers. As a teenager, life can feel overwhelming. Exams, peer pressures, social media comparison, and even that yourself. But determination is like your shield, your sword. Here is why. As shield, determination protects you when life gets tough. As swords, determination helps you push forward to achieve your dreams. Determination helps you finish your homework, even when you could rather screw TikTok. Determination makes you keep training for sports, even after losing a match. Determination pushes you to apply for opportunities, even when people laugh at you. Another story time, a teenager in Africa. Let's bring it closer to home. This is a true story of William Kakumba from Malawi. As a teenager, his parents could not afford school fees, but instead of giving up, he started teaching himself from the library books. He built a windmill from scrap parts that generated electricity for his village. Take away this as teenagers. Determination can take you from being powerless to be a problem solver in your community. The question is, how do you make determination your nature? Here is a practical part how you can make determination your everyday life. Number one, set small goals. For example, read 5 pages. You can do 10 push-ups. Or you can practice piano for 15 minutes. Note that small wins build determination muscles. Number two, expect challenges. Don't be surprised when things get tough. Say to yourself, I expect this and I'm ready for it. Number three, surround yourself with determined people. If your friends quit easily, chances are you will quit too. But if you hang around with people who push forward, you will catch their energy. Number four, celebrate progress not just results. If you did not have an A, celebrate the fact that you studied hard. This mindset makes determination fun, not a burden. Number 5, keep a journal of wins and fails. Every night write down, where did I stay determined today and where did I give up? This makes you more self-aware. Let's look at another story, which is the story of J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter became a global success, J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times by publishers. Imagine if she had stopped at rejection number 5. Her determination gave the world one of the most famous book series ever. Lesson for you: your dreams are valid even when others did not believe in them. Determination proves them wrong. Teenagers, listen, life will not always be easy. You will face rejection, failure, and doubts. But the question is, will you allow those things stop you, or will you keep moving forward? Determination is not all about being the smartest or the strongest. It's all about saying to yourself, I refuse to quit. Make determination your nature and you'll be unstoppable. If this video inspires you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Talk Talk TV for more motivational content. And tell me in the comments, what is one thing you are determined to achieve this year? Remember, your future is excellent when you decide to determine today. Bye. See you in my next video.